With its new Amplify AI program, HP is giving partners essential tools, training, and resources to excel in the AI era. According to Forbes, 64% of businesses expect AI to boost their overall productivity. Today, we have Colby Elbus from HP with us to share more about this exciting initiative and the opportunities it brings. Welcome.
Thank you for having me, Kenna, and great to see you again.
Absolutely. To start, could you give us an overview of the new HP Amplify AI program and how it will support partners in their advisory roles to customers?
This is a great question, as AI is a new technology, is probably the most exciting technology we witnessed in our industry for a long time, and it's also moving very fast. In addition to that, it's created a massive opportunity for our customer and our partners. We thought it's important to make sure that we upscale our skills, both internally and externally with our channel partners. And for that, we introduced Amplify AI in the beginning of our fiscal year in 1st of November. It's really aimed to make sure that our channel partners have one place to get training, certification, tools, and all the needed resources to learn about it and bring use cases to the customer to help them navigate this new technology.
That's fascinating, Kobe. And obviously, AI plays a big role. How does the HP Amplify AI program support partners in bringing AI solutions to market quicker?
I think the feedback we got from both customer and channel partners is they understand the technology, but it's difficult for them to understand the exact use cases. To really make sure that customers understand why it's important for them to invest in AI and where they need to invest in AI. So the whole idea around Amplify AI is not only talk about the hardware that we bring into the market and the innovation we bring on that side, is also helping evolving and showing our partners the different use cases they can bring to their customer. And it should be persona based because in each organization there are different persona and the use cases they can have AI can be different. If you're product marketing, you maybe want to have a different usage of AI. And if you're in finance, it's a different one. So we work closely with our ecosystem, not about just the hardware, to make sure that we bring the overall solution to our partners, that they can demonstrate to the customer how to navigate and use this technology. So we see this as a critical role for our partners to be a consultant, advisor to the customer and help them to drive those solutions.
It sounds like HP is also focused on improving operational productivity for partners. Can you elaborate on the initiatives being rolled out?
I think, first of all, our objective is to make sure it's easier to our partners to work with us. And for that, we're also using AI technology internally to better serve our customer and partners. When it comes to that, there is many examples that we're already using AI to give a better service to our partners. I'll give you a few examples. We have the pricing tool, instant quoting, that we use AI pricing in order to have a faster turnaround time when their partners ask for a price. Or we just introduced an AI chatbot that our partners can go through the partner portal and ask questions about the products and get immediately product information, or if they need digital content. So there are many different examples that we use AI already internally to really better serve our customer. Our objective is to make sure that collectively both us and the partners focus our energy of what drives value and what drives sales.
Finally, can you tell us more about the HP Future Ready AI Masterclass initiative and its impact on partners?
So last year, when this whole technology started to come into reality, we understood clearly internally that we all need to upscale our skills. It's true for us internally, but it's also true for our partners. We look at our channel partners as extension of us. So we introduced last year a role-based training, meaning depending on your role, you take a different path on the training. And the whole objective was if you're a salesperson, you maybe need to get different training, and if you're a technical consultant. So we introduced the AI Masterclass both internally and our channel partners. And I'm happy to share that the feedback that we are getting is very positive. Year to date, after 6 months, we have more than 12,000 people in our channel partners that took this training, and we're getting a very positive feedback from our channel partners that is really helped their salespeople to really better understand the technology and really help them to position in front of customer what AI can bring to them.
Colby, thank you so much for your insights. The HP Amplify AI program sounds like a groundbreaking initiative that will benefit HP partners and their customers.
Thank you for having me, Kenna, and I'm looking forward to 2025. The future is bright.
Absolutely. If you'd like to learn more about the HP Amplify AI program, visit the website on your screen. For the Channel Company, I'm Kenna Johnson.